Every time your bladder wakes you up at night, you are being pulled out of the only stage of sleep where your body actually repairs itself. Do that 2 or 3 times a night for months, and it shows in your energy, your memory, your mood, your face. Most people blame aging. The real problem is simpler than that, and it might be the reason this keeps happening to you. If you are using the bathroom more than once a night, you are not sleeping. You are surviving. And what I am about to show you is a simple 3 step routine before bed that may help you sleep through the night. Most people who try it notice a difference within the first 3 days. Stay with me because once you understand what is actually happening inside your body, everything changes. How long has it been since you slept straight through the night? Not 6 hours, not five. I mean, you closed your eyes and the next thing you knew, it was morning. For a lot of people over 50, that feels like a distant memory. You have gotten so used to waking up 2, 3, 4 times a night that you stopped thinking of it as a problem. You just accepted it. This is my life now. I am a person who gets up at night. But every time you wake up, you are ripping yourself out of deep sleep. And deep sleep is where your brain clears out waste, where your immune system recharges, where growth hormone does its job, even after 60. When you lose that, everything suffers. Your energy, your focus, your balance, your blood pressure. One study found that people who wake up 2 or more times per night to urinate have a significantly higher risk of falls. After 60, a fall at 2 a.m. in a dark hallway is not a small thing. That single trip to the bathroom can change your entire life. So this is not about comfort. This is about your health, your safety, your quality of life. Now, let me explain what is actually happening inside your body at night. Because once you understand this, the routine I am going to show you will make complete sense. The first thing is called third spacing. During the day, when you are standing or sitting, fluid accumulates in your lower body, your legs, your ankles. You may have noticed your ankles look a little puffy by evening. That is fluid sitting there waiting. When you lie down at night, gravity shifts. All that fluid moves back into your bloodstream. Your blood volume increases, and your kidneys say, "We have extra fluid. Better get rid of it." So they start producing urine. If you're finding this video useful, take a second to subscribe. 99% of people watching still haven't subscribed, and we're working toward 10,000 subscribers by the end of this month. It takes just a moment, but it makes a huge difference for the channel. Thank you. That is why you wake up 2 hours after falling asleep, not because you drank too much water, because your body is processing the fluid that was sitting in your legs all day. This is third spacing. Almost nobody talks about it. Your doctor probably never explained it, not because they do not care, but because a 15-minute appointment does not leave room for a fluid dynamics lesson. The second thing is a hormone called ADH, antidiuretic hormone. When you were young, this hormone told your kidneys to slow down urine production at night. It is the reason children can sleep 10 hours without waking up. But after 50, your body produces less of it. So your kidneys keep working at full speed, even at 2 a.m. They did not get the memo that you are trying to sleep. The third factor is bladder irritation. If your bladder lining is inflamed or irritated, even a small amount of urine can trigger the urge to go. Your bladder is not actually full. It just thinks it is. And you stumble to the bathroom for what turns out to be barely anything. So you have 3 things working against you at the same time. Fluid redistribution from your legs, reduced nighttime hormone, and a bladder that overreacts to small amounts. The routine I am about to show you addresses all 3. Step 1. Leg elevation. This is the most important part, and the one almost nobody does. About 60 to 90 minutes before bed, lie down and put your legs up on a stack of pillows, high enough so they are above the level of your heart. A recliner works perfectly. Stay like this for 15 to 20 minutes. Here is what is happening. You are letting gravity pull that accumulated fluid from your legs back into your bloodstream while you are still awake. Your kidneys process it. You go to the bathroom. And by the time you get into bed, that fluid is already gone. Instead of waking you up at 2 a.m., it has been handled. This one step alone can reduce nighttime trips by 1 or even 2. And you can do it while watching television. Step 2, the 3-minute drink. About 30 minutes before bed, make this simple drink. 1 cup of warm water, not hot, not cold, warm. A small pinch of sea salt, about 1/8 teaspoon, a small wedge of lemon, and half a teaspoon of raw honey. Sip it slowly over 2 to 3 minutes. Do not chug it. Here's why each ingredient matters. The pinch of salt. A very small amount of quality salt may help your body balance fluids at the cellular level. When sodium and potassium are properly balanced, your cells hold the right amount of water instead of dumping excess fluid toward your bladder overnight. The lemon. Lemon is slightly alkaline once metabolized. If your bladder is irritated by concentrated or acidic urine, lemon may help shift your pH just enough to reduce that false urgency. The feeling that you need to go when your bladder is barely full. The honey. A small amount of natural honey may help stabilize blood sugar through the night. When blood sugar drops while you sleep, your body releases stress hormones. Those stress hormones stimulate your kidneys to produce more urine. A tiny amount of honey may help keep things quieter. The warm water. Cold water can stimulate the bladder. Hot water raises your body temperature before sleep. Warm is the sweet spot. Sip slowly. Small sips over 2 to 3 minutes. Let your body absorb it gradually instead of sending a full cup straight to your bladder. Step 3, double voiding. Right before you get into bed, use the bathroom. Then wait 2 or 3 minutes. Brush your teeth, wash your face, then go back and try again, even if you do not feel like you need to. This is called double voiding. As you age, your bladder does not always empty fully on the first attempt. There is often a small amount of urine left behind, and that residual urine is what wakes you up 90 minutes later. Double voiding gives you a second chance to clear it. That is the complete routine. Legs up for 15 to 20 minutes while you watch the evening news. A simple warm drink that takes 60 seconds to make. And 2 trips to the bathroom instead of 1 before bed. Total active time, about 3 to 5 minutes. The rest happens on its own. Here's what to expect. In the first 3 days, you may notice 1 fewer trip to the bathroom. The leg elevation tends to show results quickly because you are physically moving the fluid before it has a chance to wake you up. By the end of the first 2 weeks, most people are waking up 1 or 2 fewer times. Sleep quality improves. More energy during the day. Not because of anything dramatic, but because you are finally getting deep sleep. By week 3 and 4, it compounds. Better sleep means better mood, better focus, more patience, less afternoon fatigue. People say they feel like a different person. They are not. They are just finally sleeping. One thing I need to say clearly. If you are getting up more than 3 times a night, see your doctor. This routine supports the normal changes that come with age. But frequent urination can also be a sign of something that needs medical attention. An enlarged prostate, a urinary tract infection, diabetes, heart issues, sleep apnea. These are real conditions that require real treatment. If you notice pain or burning when you urinate, see your doctor. If you see blood in your urine, see your doctor immediately. If you are on medication for blood pressure, heart conditions, or diabetes, talk to your doctor before changing your fluid or salt intake. If you have kidney disease or leg swelling related to a heart condition, check with your doctor before trying the leg elevation. I share information. I am not a doctor. Always consult your healthcare provider before changing anything in your routine. That is it. No pills. No gadgets. Try it tonight and tell me what happened in the comments. Your before number and your after number. I read all of them. And if this was useful, send it to someone who is running on no sleep. They will thank you.